This is a GCE O-level Pure Physics revision series. In this video, we are going to discuss important physics definitions that you must know before you take your exam. There are two topics that we are going to talk about today, which are Chapter 14, Electromagnetic Waves, Chapter 15, Sound. This video is brought to you by Ace with Dennis. Now, learning can be smart, not hard. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification button to stop missing out important updates from us. Also, check out the description area to sign up to our signature course, GCE O-level Pure Physics full course, at unbelievable price. It's one-time payment. You can study anytime you like, anywhere at your convenience. You can also easily monitor and track your study with Udemy's system. There is no recurring monthly tuition fees. No expensive intensive revision workshops. You don't have to rush to any tuition centers. You don't have to worry on missing any lessons. Sign up our signature online course at description area now. Without further ado, let's get started now. Chapter 14. Electromagnetic Waves. Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. They transfer energy from one place to another without the need for a medium. The electric and magnetic fields of an electromagnetic wave are perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation of the wave. Electromagnetic waves travel in vacuum at a speed of approximately 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. The speed v of electromagnetic waves is related to wavelength, lambda, and frequency, f, by the formula v equals f lambda. All electromagnetic waves obey the laws of reflection and the laws of refraction. The frequency, f, of an electromagnetic wave is determined by its source, while the wavelength, lambda, and speed, v, depend on the medium in which the wave travels. The components of electromagnetic spectrum are arranged from lower frequency to higher frequency, or from longer wavelength to shorter wavelength. This is the order of the components of electromagnetic spectrum. The first component is radio waves, followed by microwaves, infrared, and visible light. There are 7 colors in visible light, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. After visible light, it is followed by ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. From top to bottom, the wavelengths change from longer to shorter. The frequencies change from lower to higher. And the energies change from lower to higher. Radio waves are produced by radio and television broadcasters. They are captured by antennas and transmitted to radios and televisions. Microwaves are produced by microwave ovens. They are also used for satellite communication and remote sensing. Infrared radiation is produced by hot objects. It is used by remote controls, motion detectors, and for data transfer. Visible light is produced by luminous objects. It is used in photography, optical fibers for data transmission, and for endoscopy. Ultraviolet rays are produced by the sun, tanning machines, and sterilization machines. They are required by the skin to produce vitamin D. X-rays are produced by X-ray imaging machines and scanners. They are used in X-ray imaging, airport security scanning, and for detecting cracks in pipes and buildings. Gamma rays are produced by radioactive sources and radiotherapy machines. They are used to kill cancer cells. The effects of electromagnetic waves include heating, ionization, injury to living cells, and damaging DNA. Chapter 15. Sound. Sound waves. Sound is a longitudinal wave produced by a vibrating source in a medium. It has compressions and rarefactions. Sound waves cannot travel through vacuum. They require a medium to propagate. The speed of sound is dependent on the type of medium it propagates. Sound travels the fastest through solids, and travels the slowest through gases. The speed of sound in air is about 330 meters per second. The speed of sound increases when the temperature of air increases. The loudness of a sound wave increases when its amplitude increases. The pitch of a sound wave increases when its frequency increases. Sound waves reflect when they strike on a hard surface. Reflected sound waves are echoes. Echolocation is a technique used to measure distance or locate objects. Audible sound is sound that an average person can hear. Audible sound has a frequency range between 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Ultrasound are sounds with frequencies above the upper limit or audible sound. That is above 20 kHz. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do you have any thoughts, opinion or experience want to share? Write it down in the comment area. We'd love to hear from you. Also, do you like this video? Don't forget to like and share it to your friends. Until then, see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.